I'm from Waynesboro, Virginia. That's where I was born and raised. My father was in the military, in the Army, so I followed in his footsteps and went to the Army. I worked as Commandant of Cadets at Fishburne Military School for about 6 years. And during that time, that's when I felt a strong call into counseling and chaplaincy. That's where everything really begins.
When I met Alec, Alec was just a regular, healthy-looking young man. And I think that's the scary part about colon cancer sometimes, is that it can be growing inside of you and you're just not aware of what's happening.
After I ate lunch, I started feeling like a pain in my stomach. I drove myself to the emergency room.
His doctor referred him for a colonoscopy, at which point he was found to have a colon mass in his descending colon. He then had a CT scan which demonstrated a mass in his liver as well, which was therefore consistent with stage 4 colon cancer.
The news, my wife almost fainted. Luckily, I had a family provider, and she said, these doctors at UVA are going to do a great job with you. This is where I want you to go. And so she squared it away. Dr. Friel and Dr. Zyfield are great guys. A blessing to my family.
We came up with a comprehensive plan that was unique for Alex's situation. And we were able to work with our community provider, and we were able to provide him with some chemotherapy in an environment that was more comfortable for him right near his own home. Anybody who has colon cancer always runs the risk of having a recurrent disease. And unfortunately, that risk is a bit higher with people with stage 4 disease. Nevertheless, we frequently cure people, and our expectation is that Alec will be cured. I'm happy to report he just had a CAT scan just last month, and that he's completely free of disease at this point.
I had to believe and I had to hope. Those were the things that, got me through and have sustained me